What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this one I want to talk to you about, are we ready and primed for a move upwards, right? A boom. Well, the question is, how far are we gonna wait? Because it's about 6 days from now to get the next CPI reading. We had the Federal Reserve Chairman speak less than 3 days ago, right? And there's a couple of things going on right now, especially with those interest rates, and even more with AI, crypto stocks, a lot of things moving. The stocks are somewhat stabilizing, and crypto is becoming more greedy. Is this the end of that bull season that we claim, or the bull ride, and we are now waiting for the bull trap? Well, these are the weeks that are going to be critical, and I think before and after the CPR reading will make a lot of sense. Let me go ahead and show you this one. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Welcome aboard. Now, on this one, I'm seeing a lot of this week specifically, a lot of red in the current events. But if we go ahead and look at the crypto bubbles that I always like to look at when it comes to the month, the weekly. The weekly right now, this is how we're looking right now, pretty much green. And in the month, that's when we start seeing the 100%, the 600% plus of some cryptos that obviously are a fad. They won't be here standing for long. They pump and they dump. The ones Aptos, right? I mean, some of them that they being incredibly nice for what they stand for. You might not never heard of them before, but OP, even optimism, but some other ones, right, help you make a lot of money in the long term as well if you're not really into crypto as much. But in reality, guys, I think this is not even the bull season, and we're starting to see already some massive pumps. When the bull season comes, the ones that are sleeping right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Kronos, and the rest will finally awaken. And in my opinion, those are the ones that might be more safe for me to hold for years to come. The ones that are pumping right now, obviously manipulated, and there's a lot of money out there, and that's what whales are buying, waiting and holding on the right news, so the ones that are blue chips finally explode. What do you think? Well, let me know in the comments down below. For sure, I think we're not making a mistake with crypto. There's a lot of things going on. If from the 6.5 CPI we go lower to a 5%, that's going to be another green flag, of knowing that the Federal Reserve Chairman does want to get to that 2% to get inflation up and running at a great level, knowing that the employment rate is great, and so far there's a lot of jobs, more than people seeking them. So what do you guys think? Don't forget to let us know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace.